After Uttar Pradesh, name game politics in Madhya Pradesh is on because Bhopal's Habibganj railway station is going to be now called Rani Kamlapati station. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be inaugurating the revamped railway station, which now features modern amenities, airport-like amenities. Take a look.
It is the new landmark of Bhopal. The city's renowned Habibganj station will now be known as Rani Kamlapati station, shedding its earlier look for a spanking new state-of-the-art railway hub. The name-changing exercise at the behest of the MP government comes after a mega revamp by railway authorities.
नाम जो है पूरी तरीके से बदल दिया गया है और रेलवे स्टेशन पर हबीबगंज जो शब्द थे उसे पूरी तरीके से हटा दिया गया है और रेलवे स्टेशन की इमारतों पर जो पुराना नाम था उसे हटा करके, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को आकर के यहाँ पे उद्घाटन करना है, इसीलिए जल्दबाजी में ही चाहिए लेकिन रानी कमलापति रेलवे स्टेशन के पोस्टर जो हैं वो लगा दिए गए हैं।
Renamed after the tribal queen Rani Kamlapati, who belonged to the Gond community. The tribal community comprises the largest tribal group of India with more than 1.2 crore population. Chief Minister Shivraj Chauhan called her the last Hindu queen of Bhopal.
मैं भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी को हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूं। मध्य प्रदेश की 8.5 करोड़ जनता की ओर से, हमारे जनजाति आदिवासी समाज की ओर से रानी कमलापति गोंड समाज का गौरव थी, अंतिम हिंदू रानी थी।
The revamped station on inauguration will become India's first world-class railway station with airport-like amenities, boasting food courts, restaurants, air-conditioned waiting rooms, dormitories and a VIP lounge. Adorned by modern escalators, lifts and 160 CCTV cameras. The new look railway station is built at a cost of around 450 crore rupees. The news was reason to cheer for some locals and BJP workers who celebrated at the Bhopal party office.
आज पूरे मध्य प्रदेश में और भोपाल के अंदर जिस प्रकार से उत्साह लोगों में नजर आया है, क्योंकि सामान्य घटना नहीं है, इस भोपाल को पहचान देने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हमारे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो दी है, इसके लिए हम सब कार्यकर्ता तो उत्साहित हैं ही, संपूर्ण मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर भी लोग इसको लेकर के हर्षित हैं।
The Congress had earlier accused the BJP of pursuing a misplaced saffron agenda like promoting cow and गौमूत्र.
देखिए, गौ और गौमूत्र का अपना उपयोग है, पर उससे अपने प्रदेश की अर्थव्यवस्था थोड़ी ना सुधर सकती है। अपने प्रदेश की अर्थव्यवस्था सुधरेगी जब निवेश आएगा, जब यहाँ आर्थिक गतिविधि बनेगी और उसकी हमें नीतियां बनानी है, एक विश्वास पैदा करना है। इस प्रकार के बयानों से अपने प्रदेश में किसी का विश्वास नहीं बनेगा।
Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav said BJP only changes names.
मुख्यमंत्री जी को नाम ही बदलना आता है, रंग बदलना आता है। जो लोग नाम और रंग बदल रहे हैं, जनता इतना वोट डालेगी, सरकार बदल देगी।
The renaming of Habibganj railway station comes amid renaming of several other railway stations in recent times. In 2021 alone, 2 railway stations have been renamed in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Madhuwadi railway station was renamed as Banaras railway station, whereas the name of Faizabad railway station was changed to Ayodhya Can. Earlier, Allahabad station was renamed as Prayagraj and Mughal Sarai was renamed as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction. With Ravesh Pal Singh in Bhopal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hemendra Sharma is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from Bhopal for more on that. Hemendra, this railway station and news for the right and the wrong reasons. Right, because it has got airport-like amenities that the Prime Minister is going to in fact inaugurate and will be there for all of us to see essentially, but also for the wrong reasons because this matter has already been politicized as far as renaming the railway station is concerned, isn't it?
Well, the Habibganj railway station, as it was previously known, was also one of the top railway stations of India before the government of Madhya Pradesh, the government of India decided to renovate it. And after several years, the renovation work is complete. Around 450 crore rupees have been invested, and now airport-like facilities are being offered at the Habibganj railway station, formerly Habibganj railway station. And now it has also been named. I mean, as you said, that it is also in the news for the wrong reasons because it is being politicized. So the BJP is trying to take as much political mileage out of it as they can possibly, because Rani Kamlapati railway station, the railway station has been named after the last gaunt queen of Bhopal. Her son fought a spirited battle against Dost Muhammad Khan, who is largely considered to be the founder of modern day Bhopal. So and thereafter she was forced to end her life when her son lost the battle. So the Prime Minister was here in Bhopal today. He spoke at the Adivasi Gaurav Sammelan that was organized at the Jamhuri Maidan. Around 2 lakh people were invited from across 37 districts, majorly tribal dominated districts of Madhya Pradesh. So the BJP trying to drive home the point that the efforts and the contribution of the tribals during the freedom movement and also before that needs to be acknowledged. That has not been acknowledged during the years after independence till 2014, and now the BJP claims that it is trying to acknowledge, not just acknowledge, but also give them their due respect, and that is the reason why that Habibganj railway station has been renamed. Into
That's right, Hemendra. We'll of course keep coming back to you for more on that story. Hemendra reporting on that from Bhopal city.